Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today in this video, I will show you how to enable parallel downloading on Chrome. So in the previous video, it was on this Android, but this is on the laptop or the Windows computer. So enabling is very simple. In Chrome flags, we can enable parallel downloading, which will eventually speed the downloading speed on your Chrome browser. Just on your Chrome, just browse through Chrome colon / flag, and under the search here this search as parallel downloading. See here, parallel downloading. I didn't even search fully, but it came up with the results parallel downloading. By default, this is not enabled. If you enable and relaunch the Chrome browser, whatever you download, that may be a video file, audio file, or whatever it may be, when you download on Chrome, it uses parallel downloading technique so that the downloads get faster. So this is how you can enable parallel downloading on Chrome. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.